This is RD Sharma Solution Class 12. We are taking chapter number 16. Tangents and normals exercise is 16.2. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve under root x plus under root y equals a at the point a square by 4 and a square by 4. So there is a curve here and this is a tangent we are drawing. Now this point is a square by 4 and a square by 4. So this point, they are equal and they are x and y, or you can call it as x1 and y1. So this tangent equation is to be found out. So what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. x1 and y1 is already given to us. We are only interested now in finding out the slope. What is the slope? How to find out the slope? We already have the equation of the tangent. So in order to find out the slope of this tangent, we differentiate it. dy by dx is the slope. So when we differentiate it, 1 by 2 root x, I am differentiating with respect to x. 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is equal to 0. That is 1 by 2 root x dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 root x. This 2 gets cancelled, under root y will go up. Dy by dx is equal to under root y by under root x, that is under root y by x. This under root y by x, since y and x is known to us, let us put it here. This a square by 4 and a square by 4, when we put it, dy by dx is going to come as a negative 1 because negative was already there. Dy by dx is negative 1. So this is the slope of this equation. This point is there. So just put this in the initial equation. Y minus a square by 4 is equal to negative 1 into x minus a square by 4. So we have replaced x1 and y1 by a square by 4 since they are equal. So y minus a square by 4 is equal to a square by 4 minus x, because I have multiplied negative inside. Now let us shuffle things so that we get an equation of the line. So x plus y is equal to a square by 4 plus a square by 4, that is going to be 2a square by 4, that is a square by 2. X plus y is equal to a square by 2 is the equation of the line. So other questions are like that only. Let me show you the formal solution. This is how you are going to write. Find the equation of the normal. So normal we are talking about. We are not talking about the tangent, but in order to get a normal, we have to find out the tangent. And this is the curve and the point is 1, 4. So we have this equation. I am differentiating it. Dy by dx, because dy by dx is the slope. It is 6x square minus 2x, and at 1 and 4 we have to find out. So dy by dx at 1, 4 is 6. I am just replacing 1 because we don't require y here. So see, 6 into 1 square minus 2, that is 4. And we know the tangent, let me call it as mt for the slope of the tangent. And when we multiply it with the slope of the normal, that is mn, then we must get negative 1. So the normal equation or normal slope is negative 1 by the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is 4. So we get the normal and tangent both slope. What is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So in order to find out the equation of the normal, we have to find out, or we have to put negative 1 by 4. This is the tangent and this is the normal. So this is the tangent and normal. And since we have the slope of the normal, negative 1 by 4, we have to replace x1 and y1 by 1 and 4. So y minus 4 equals to negative 1 by 4, x minus 1. So just cross multiply by 4, 4y minus 16 is 1 minus x. So we just, when we multiply negative, these signs will change, so we are just swapping. So what is the formation here? We normally write it in the form of ax plus by equals c. So x plus 4y is equal to, so 16 plus 1 is 17. This is the equation of the normal. Find the equation of the normal. This is the formal solution which you have to adopt in solving. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the following curve at the indicated point. So this you have equation, and we have 0 and 5. x1 and y1 is also given, but both normal and tangent has to be found out. That is, this is a curve. We are drawing a tangent, then a perpendicular to the tangent is nothing but the normal. And the points given are 0 and 5. The first thing is we will differentiate it. So why is this? So we will find out dy by dx, and that is going to be 4x cube minus 3bx square plus 26x minus 10, and 5 will vanish. So I am writing after differentiation, this is the value. Now dy by dx at 0 and 5. So x is 0 and y is 5 here. So I am just replacing all x by 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So you get negative 10. And this is the dy by dx or the slope of the tangent. What is the normal slope? Just put -1 and place this -10 in the denominator. So we get 1 by 10. So tangent is this, slope and normal is this. So we'll make two equations. We know the equation formation is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. In y1 we are going to put 5. In x1 we are going to put 0. This will be y minus 5 is equal to m. X minus 0 is x only. So we have y minus 5 equals to mx, and the tangent equation and normal equation, you know the slope also, -10 and 1 by 10. So y minus 5 is equal to -10x, and just rearrange all this so that we have a proper formation of the equation. It will be y plus 10x minus 5 equals 0. Here also we put this, and the tangent already done, normal 1 by 10. So let us rearrange again this. So we get the equation like this. So x minus 10y plus 50 is equal to 0. These are the two form, or these are the two equation, tangent and normal. So let me show it to you. This is how we are going to solve. This is the solution of the tangent and normal being computed simultaneously. See, since the questions may be repeating, there are questions which may repeat, so if there is certain repetition, we will just forego it. Now find the equation of the tangent and normal of the following curve at the indicated point. X is equal to 1. So first thing we have to do is to find out the value of y, because x is only given to us, y is not given to us. So first the equation is already given to us, so we will find out the value of y replacing x as 1. Y is equal to, in place of x, just replace it by 1. So 1 raised 4 minus 6 into 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square minus 10 into 1 plus 5. Y is what? It's 3. Y is 3. So x is 1, y is 3. First thing is finding out the slope. What is the equation of a line y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1? We will differentiate it first, and we'll find out the slope. So we'll differentiate it, dy by dx. How to get the differentiation? With respect to x, it's 4x cube minus 6, 18x square plus 26x and minus 10. 26x minus 10. And this is going to be 0. So we have this 1, 3. So to find out the dy by dx at x equals to 1, just replace x by 1 here. And this will give you the dy by dx of slope. So what do we get? This is 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. And that is going to give you 26 plus 4 is 30, 30 minus 28, and that is 2. And please remember, dy by dx for this will be tangent. And what about the normal slope? It is -1 divided by this slope of the tangent, which is 2. So -half of the and -half and 2 are the slopes now. So in place of x, replace it by 1. In place of y, replace it by 3. We have y minus 3 equals mx minus 1. In place of m, first place 2. In place of m, then place -half. So y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. This is tangent. Normal is y minus 3 is equal to -half here, x minus 1. So y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. When we rearrange this, we will get the equation of the tangent. It will be 2x plus y plus 1 equals 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Then we will find out the equation of the normal. So just multiply 2 everywhere and multiply -1 with x minus 1. So you can write it as 1 minus x. Just rearrange these equations, and once you rearrange, you will get the equation of the normal also. So the whole idea is to find out the slopes first, which is dy by dx, and -1 by dy by dx, that is the slope of tangent and normal, and then just put this in the equation y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, x1, y1 here is 1, 3. So this is the formal solution for you, and this is how you're going to go about it to get the solution. You can also write in your way, but this is just for reference. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal of the following curve at the indicated point y equals x square at 0, 0. This is quite easy. Now we have done question like this. Y equals 2x square, dy by dx is going to be equal to 2x. And since at 0, 0, x is 0, so we get dy by dx as 2 into 0, which is 0 only. So the slope of the tangent is 0. How to find out the slope of the normal, which is -1 by this content, -1 by 0. What is the equation of the line? Y minus 0 equals mx minus x1. So x1, y1 is 0. So just write x1 and y1 as 0, 0. Then we have this. This is the 0 is the slope of the tangent. What is the slope of the normal? -1 by 0. Okay. So we have y minus 0 equals negative 1 by 0 x minus 0. Since negative 1 by 0 is never written, but for the sake of the completion of the question I am writing that. And just assume we are multiplying everywhere by 0. So we get x equals to 0. So finally we have y equals to 0 is the equation of the tangent and x equals to 0 is the equation of the normal. So this is a curve, there is a tangent line which is y equals to 0, there is a normal line which is perpendicular to the tangent is x equal to 0. So this is how you are going to solve it. It's very straightforward question. So this question, it's again tangent and normal. We have 2x square minus 3x minus 1, 1 minus 2. So I'll just show you the solution here because previous questions we have already done like this. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the following curve at the indicated point. This is a question of different sort. The only thing is that you have to differentiate. There will be a bit more time you will take in differentiating it, but the concept will remain same. Concept is going to remain same. Just differentiate it for try to find out dy by dx, and dy by dx is the slope of the tangent because already 2 and minus 2 the points are given. So I am differentiating this. 2y divided by dx is equal to, I am applying the quotient rule p by q form. So 4 minus x square, here we have 4 minus x, differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus this x cube will be like that only, and 4 minus x differentiation is negative 1 only. 4 will be 0, negative x will be negative 1. So we have, just multiply this, 12x square minus 3x cube plus x cube and divided by 4 minus x square. I'm taking the numerator first. So you will get 12x square minus 2x cube divided by 4 minus x whole square. 2y dy by dx. You are interested in dy by dx. So just take 2y in the denominator of the right hand side. 1 by 2y I am taking here. You can just cancel this 2. So this will be 6x square minus x cube by 4 minus x whole square. There is no need to expand this 4 minus x whole square because x at 2 and y at 2 negative 2. You need to find out x2 and y minus 2. dy by dx at 2 comma minus 2 is equal to, just place the value. I'm going to tell you the final value because it's very self-explanatory and I judge and I'm confident about that you will be able to do this. Let me write the final dy by dx. This is the slope of the tangent. How about the slope of the normal? It will be negative 1 divided by negative 2. What will be the equation? Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. In this case, we have minus 2 as the slope. X and y are 2 and minus 2. You will take x as 2, y as negative 2. Now multiply this and resolve it and try to formulate in the form of your equation. This is the equation of the normal, 2x plus y minus 2. Again, y plus 2 equals x minus 2 into m. Slope of the tangent was negative 2. What is the normal slope? Negative 1 divided by this negative 2. So you get 1 by 2. Again multiply every side, or they are both sides, by 2. X minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. These are the two equations, tangent and normal. This is the tangent equation, this is the normal equation. So this is how you are going to write about it. If you have to solve it anywhere, then this is the way. Find the equation of the tangent and normal at x equals to 3. Now just put x as 3 in this equation. You will get a value of y. So you will get a x1, y1. Other things you already know. Just differentiate this equation. 3 comma 22. Y will come as 22. Please remember. Let me show you the solution reference. I don't agree with copying this. I want you to do it by yourself. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal. So this is a different kind of question that we are going to attempt in next discussion. This question is also like this, but it will be easier for you to understand this if you understand the previous question. And we'll do that in next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.